Going to discuss on the topic of government job versus private job. Which job is better? Okay, what's your opinion? Which type of job do you like most?
My most likely is our government sector.
Yeah, why do you want like?
I want, sir, first of all, give government sector is many types job. Like as the my first likely job for defense and IAS. Like as UPSC, not a job. Like as a responsibility in our society, in our Constitution of India. My likely, sir, this job. And he's good up working, not loading for not a largest time for working in office, and he's commanding for either commission for and commanding like as district magistrate and as duty collectors, and that's all.
Okay, thank you. According to him, government job is better for our life. Okay, next point I would like to ask to anyone. Okay.
Like most private job because there are many opportunity. They are going to a best student, best candidate. In the government job was many corruption. There was interview were very tough, and you have not money, you have not got job in government job. The government job is good, but I think private job is the best because of there are many talented person go there and got a job with no money. You have no money, that's not problem, but you have got a job, you take a interview, go to interview, pass the interview and you got a job. But in government job you got a interview, after that you rejected, you have money, you have no money, you have not got a job, but you have a money, you not complete your interview, you give them money and got a job in government job. I think so. There was very and their government rules are very big. The government suddenly in the few years the government take a charge and change the policy. I think that was good.
Very nice. As you know that there are two types of job right now, government and private job. Both have their own advantage. But I think according to your views also right, you are speaking. I like that. Private job is better for our life because there are so much scope in the private job and the government job also, because right now unemployment is big problem in our state, and I think 80 to 90%.
Very limitation in government job are very limitation seat, and private job are not limitation. There are many opportunity. Yeah. There are many company open their time.
In private job we can earn much in money, more than there is no limitation of the money. But in the government job we have the what's your opinion? As you know that according to him, in the private job there is no limitation of money. What's your opinion about it?
Private sector not limitation like as a largest team, and like such as that's example Tata Industries for not limitation in student, and either collect a new student for technical engineering student, and not limitation for like as a first semester. I think BH University selected for 40 student for Tata Industries college. He collected for B student. Then I saw private sector is large, and
the question is that according to them in the privation of the money, but in the government job limitation of money. In the private job we can earn much and more money. But what is your opinion? It means we can say
you can work and make more money in private job.
It's if you have quality, then you can go in the private job, you can earn much and more money. What's your opinion? Private job versus government job. Which type of job do you like?
I like government jobs because it has rule and regulation are easy and not so hard, and it's have defense, many types of government jobs. It have defense. I like defense in our country. It's is responsibility in our country, in our society, in our Indian peoples. We are responsibility in our India, in our defense.
Good. Because as you know that actually she has told to me in the government job is secure job. But as you seen in the corona, there are so many private job has been finished. But I think those who are continue there in this government job very well. But I think they have much and more practice and they have more advantage and disadvantage. But you will have to continue on the topic. That's all for today. Thank you. इसको बंद करिए और आप लोग